Hi there, I'm Rob McCoy with RAM Communications. I'm going to show you some of the basic items with your new phone system. This is a system hosted by our partner Nextiva. The phones that we're using are from a manufacturer called Yealink. So without further ado, let's dive into this and show you how you can get productive as soon as possible. Please be sure to click on the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel so we can share our latest content with you. Let's go through some of the buttons here. Here's our hold. If I'm on a call and I want to mute, there's your mute key. It'll turn solid red. If you want to turn up your volume, this plus minus key does that. These phones do come with a redial key, and thankfully, it's a core physical button on your phone. Simply press the redial. When you press that, you get a highlight of the last call that you made. You can, of course, select that. But this is also giving you an opportunity to go through your recent history and then select a recent call and dial. If you have any questions, contact us anytime. At RAM Communications, we have a phone system that will fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.